Hi, boys and girls. Today in writing class, we're still focusing on verbs. It's going to be a little different today, but I want to review what we did on Monday and Wednesday and review what a verb is. A verb is a word that shows action. Verbs also tell when the action is happening. And that's the important part. Is something going on right now in the present, or has it already happened and it's in the past? On Monday, we focused on present tense verbs. On Wednesday, we focused on past tense verbs. So let's review some sentences. I play football. I played football. They laugh very loudly. That means it's happening right now. They laughed very loudly. My mom cooks delicious food. My mom cooked delicious food. When you add ed to the words, you realize that it's in the past. It changes that verb. It's no longer something that's happening right now. It already happened and it's in the past. We're going to focus today on irregular verbs. So let's look at our learning target. I can identify irregular verbs so I can decide if that kind of verb should be written in my sentence. I will know I have it when I write sentences with the correct verbs. That's our learning target today. Let's think, what is an irregular verb? Verbs that do not form their past tense by adding ed are called irregular verbs. So they don't follow the same spelling pattern. You have the verb, and to show that it happened in the past, you just add ed. It's a whole different word. I want to build a sandcastle like the one I built last year. The verb build is the present. I want to do that right now. But they also built a sandcastle last year. So it just shows that it can happen now, and that's the present, or if it's something that already happened, it's in the past. Let's look at some more irregular verbs. Okay. Ethan rides his bike. He does that right now. Ethan rode his bike yesterday. That was in the past. He already did that. I will drink the lemonade. I drank the lemonade. Present, doing it right now, or past, I already did it. Bella swims in the pool. She's doing that right now. It's that present tense verb. Bella swam in the pool last week. That's past tense. She already did that. That was last week. Boys and girls, as you're writing your sentences, you'll get some practice and thinking about verbs. I want you to think, is this verb that I'm using happening now? Did it happen in the past other than right now in the present? Or is it one of those irregular verbs that if it happens in the past, it changes the word completely. I can't just add the ed to make it past tense. So I know it's a lot to think about, but irregular verbs makes our writing more creative and more interesting for the reader to read. So I'm excited to see your sentences and get to read them.